How does launch angle improve your golf driver swing? Imagine hitting a golf ball that soars high into the sky and then rolls a long way across the fairway. That's what the right launch angle can do for your drive. It's a key part of swinging the driver well. Launch angle is the vertical angle at which the ball leaves the club face right after impact. It affects how high the ball goes, how far it travels, and how it behaves once it lands. Men and women golf professionals know that understanding and controlling this angle can make a big difference in their game. The launch angle depends mainly on the loft of your driver and the way your club head strikes the ball. Loft is the angle of the club face at impact. If your driver has more loft, the ball will leave at a higher angle. The angle of attack is how the club head moves when it hits the ball. If you hit the ball on the upswing, you get a higher launch angle. If you hit down or level, the launch angle tends to be lower. Getting the right launch angle helps you maximize distance. If the launch angle is too high, the ball might go up but not for enough forward because it loses energy. If it is too low, the ball might stay low and not carry as far through the air. The goal for many pros is to find a launch angle that balances height and forward roll. This way, the ball stays in the air longer and then rolls out for extra distance. A positive angle of attack, meaning hitting the ball on the upswing, usually increases launch angle and reduces spin. Less spin helps the ball stay in the air longer and roll farther once it lands. Long drive competitors and tour players often use this technique to get maximum distance. On the other hand, hitting down on the ball with a steep angle of attack lowers the launch angle and increases spin, which is less ideal for driving but useful for other shots. Equipment also influences launch angle. Increasing the loft of your driver raises the launch angle. Using a more flexible shaft can also help increase launch, especially if your swing speed is slower. Clubs with higher moment of inertia are more forgiving and can produce higher launch angles. Professional players on the PGA Tour typically have a launch angle around 10.4 degrees, while LPGA Tour players average about 12.6 degrees. Amateurs should aim for a launch angle close to these numbers, adjusted for their swing speed and style. To improve your launch angle, work on making a positive or slightly upward attack with your driver. Adjust your driver loft to match your swing speed and desired ball flight. Using launch monitors or getting fitted by a professional can give you precise data on your launch angle, spin rate, and ball speed. This helps you make informed adjustments. Focus on swinging smoothly and hitting the ball on the upswing rather than hitting down on it. When you optimize your launch angle, you get more carry distance because the ball stays in the air longer and travels farther. It also makes your shots more consistent and easier to control. Plus, it reduces excessive spin that can cause the ball to balloon and lose distance. In the end, launch angle is a simple but powerful factor in improving your golf driver swing. Men and women professionals know that by controlling the launch angle through proper swing mechanics, club fitting, and practice, you can hit longer, straighter drives. Regularly checking your launch conditions with technology or coaching will help you find the best launch angle for your game and keep your drives flying high and far.